అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సో హ్యాపీ టు బి జై బాలయ్య. అది చెప్పకపోతే యూ విల్ నాట్ లెట్ మీ స్పీక్ అని నాకు తెలుసు. సో కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు ది ఎంటైర్ టీమ్. I'm so touched by your words, ma'am. Yes, but let me congratulate them first, then I would love to, add on to something that... So congratulations to the entire team of Three Roses. Prati Okareki, of course, the actors, Isha, Rushi just left, Rashi, and then Kushita. And congratulations to all three. And of course, Maruti Gariki, SKN Gariki, and the director, Kiran. ఏం చెప్పాలంటే ఒక రీజనల్ కాంటెంట్ ఎస్పెషలీ ఓటీటీలో రావాలంటే దేర్ షుడ్ బి అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ దట్ షుడ్ కమ్ టుగెదర్. ఎస్పెషలీ అది స్ట్రీమ్ చేయడానికి ఒక మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కావాలి. దేర్ షుడ్ బి సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఆహా. సో ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు ఆహా ఫర్ బీయింగ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ 3 females as the showrunners. And Maruti Garu, it's your idea. And this is such a fun, entertaining subject. And a lot of people spoke to, I just asked. So a lot of people told me about this. And I know that this is coming from you. And congratulations to you too. And SKN Garu, everybody is waiting for your speech. Adedo panchayat jarutundi parledu. So congratulations to all. Ani malli cheptunna. And I'm so happy. Ante season 1 we give to the audience, and season 2, if it has to happen, the audience have to ask, because if it doesn't have a good run, then there won't be a season 2 or a part 2 for any project. So this is going to be another good season, Ani. I'm feeling, I have a strong feeling. So, and that's it. All the best. Great, I don't know, great release, great premieres, and I hope that it streams like it has a long streaming hours on the platform. And I was so touched by your words, Pragati Garu. And I was every word that you said, it just put me in thoughts, because the few things that you said really I don't know, I don't want to take extra time. I don't know if this is the right place to say, but since this is a female run project, I would love to just say a few 3-4 sentences about what she spoke. Women, they are known to be multitaskers. It's not just ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక మూవీ మధ్యలో ఒక గ్యాప్ ఉంటే the media will start writing. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, వేరే ప్రాజెక్ట్ లేదా. ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ ద women of today, they are slightly different. Like, they have different interest. I have my interest of traveling, reading, learning. I still learn. And you see here a woman who has represented, who has, the tricolor is something that it's yes, the Tiranga. Whenever I see my country's flag anywhere, so in multiple spaces, I keep thinking. There's one sentence said by Mohanlal sir in one interview. When they went to Cannes, they saw the Indian flag flying. So that's something anybody who loves their country will want to see in different spaces. And you have done it, ma'am. I'm so proud of you. See, దీన్ని channelization of energy అంటారు. Don't expect us, just because we are acting, we cannot do anything else అనేది కాదు. We are acting and we are doing. And I know a lot of women around me who are homemakers, who have different other interests, who write, who wants to direct now, who, so this is the right space. There is a lot of things that is happening around women. And, seeing someone like her, itlanti oka, I was just like, oh, I saw it on a story by one of my directors on one of his story. And then I'm like, wow. Because I also tried lifting, so I know how much of dedication it is needed to become a power lifter. And not just a power lifter, somebody who has got medal representing the country. And thank you. And no, Aganda 2 is releasing. Aganda 2 is releasing on August 12th. So అందరూ మూవీ చూసి జస్ట్ ఎంజాయ్ దట్ ఫిలిం. మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు, అగైన్ అది కూడా part 2. సో part 1 అంత బాగా అందరికీ నచ్చింది కాబట్టి of course there is a part 2. And of course I hope that it becomes a even bigger success for the team and for me, and you will have a great entertainment watching. నేనేం చెప్పా? ఆగస్టా? సారీ డిసెంబర్ 12th అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చి
December 13th, ma'am.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ లవ్ టు ఆల్ హ్యావ్ అ గుడ్ నైట్ గ్రేట్ ఈవినింగ్ బై జై బాలయ్య.
Thank you, Samyukta garu. Thank you so much for gracing our event today. You look so beautiful. And ఇప్పుడు మా 3 Roses season 2 తో